My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called BlackRock. BlackRock is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files. The ransomware is called BlackRock because it encrypts files and appends this BlackRock extension additionally to the file names. It is not possible to use the files anymore. And removing this BlackRock extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery. So you should not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that your data would be restored. We recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application using this green download button. Install the software. Then click on Start Scan button and begin researching your computer. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always get your data protected from further ransomware attacks.